When you want to copy a picture from the internet into Photoshop so you can work on it, you don't even have to save the image. So let's just pick an image here. We see dimensions here, 600 by 375. So this is the width, 600, and the height, 375 for this image. We're going to copy this image to the clipboard by right mouse clicking and selecting Copy Image. Now we're going to go to Photoshop. We're going to set up a new document, File, New, and the default settings will match whatever you copied. So you can see here we have a 600 and a 375. We also can see here that the item that is currently selected is matching the dimensions of the clipboard of what we copied. So we're going to go ahead and hit Create. And now I'm going to do a keyboard shortcut of Control V like Victor to paste the image in to Photoshop. So that is one method. Another method, if you want to use the menu, you could go to the Edit menu and you can choose Paste here, Control V, same shortcut. The one thing you cannot do is you cannot right mouse click. If you right mouse click and try to paste, that is not an option when you work in Photoshop. So that's why the keyboard shortcut of Control V is the best way to go. And now you have the image in Photoshop, so you could do something like run a filter and manipulate the picture however you see fit. So that's how you copy an image from the internet into Photoshop, and they will automatically match the dimensions for you.